Hello people, my name is Madhu Bansal. I am the founder of KRB Markets. Today we are again ready with our second episode of our series Market Vachan. To hear this episode in Hindi, you can click on the different link in the description box. Today we'll talk about the list of narrow range or range bound stocks that are currently present in the Nifty 50 stocks which are ready for a breakout. We'll also talk about if the stock doesn't really break out or break down, still how can you make money? We have done the homework for ourselves for the upcoming days. Hope you will be benefited from this as well. One disclaimer, this is not a recommendation for you to buy or sell. Firstly, let's talk about what are range-bound stocks. A stock which has found the major support as well as resistance levels connecting them via trend lines are the range-bound stocks. The prices tends to move in between a specific high price and low price. The high price acts as a resistance whereas the low price acts as a support. So how can you really make money from this pattern? And why should you really care about looking for these? People usually look up for these patterns as they provide dual profits with minimum risk or losses, which is its main attraction. We'll talk about the low risk in a minute with enough illustrations, but first let's see what are the ways of making money. So there are basically three broad ways of making money from these patterns. Number one is selling on the upper band, that is selling near the resistance line, keeping the stop loss a little bit above the resistance line. Number two is buying on the lower band, that is buying near the support, keeping the stop loss a little bit below the support line. And number three is waiting for a breakout. Now let's quickly understand the types of range bound stocks that we'll be using for our watch list. Number one is horizontal range bound. In this, the trend lines are marked horizontal and the prices are moving in a range. The modification of this can be upward sloping and downward sloping as well, in which the prices are moving in this range. Number two is symmetrical triangle. In this, the trend lines are narrowing down equally and the prices are making higher highs and the prices are making lower highs as well as higher lows. Number three is ascending triangle. In this, the upper trend line is horizontal, whereas the lower trend line is marking higher highs. And number four is descending triangle. In this, the lower trend line is horizontal, whereas the upper trend line is making lower lows. We can use a variety of indicators to identify the range bound stocks like Bollinger Bands, ADX, price channels, trend lines. I have used trend lines to demonstrate in the upcoming illustrations. Now let's come quickly to our list of stocks which are moving in the range or narrow triangles. I have listed down 6 stocks which might give a breakout or breakdown. Even if the stock doesn't give anything, you can still make money by selling near the resistance or buying near the support and keeping a very small stop loss. One thing to keep in mind that we'll be discussing in the end of the videos when we'll be done with the illustrations. So this is the first stock in our watch list called Axis Bank. This is the 60 minutes chart of Axis Bank. You can see the stock is moving in the range since March 23rd till date. It is taking constant resistance at 480 levels and occasional support at 380 levels with constant support at 425 levels. You can keep this in your watch list and watch for some time till it breaks down or breaks up. I have taken MACD for reconfirming my trading decision. The next stock that we have is Bajaj Finance. This is the 60 minutes chart of Bajaj Finance, and according to the stock patterns that we have discussed a few slides back, this is forming a descending triangle with horizontal support as well as declining resistance. You can see that the resistance is getting narrow at 2320 and the support is 2090. You can keep this in your watch list as well. Again, one more banking stock, HDFC Bank, which is also moving in a range from March 24 till date. The prices are trading at the resistance and trying to break out from 920 levels. The support that it is taking is 870 at this point of time. The next that we have is Infosys, with the results coming up on 20th April 2020. This narrow range of Infosys might finally break in either of the direction. As you can see, the range is quite narrow in the range of 652 to 624. You can keep this stock also in your watch list. Our very own index, Nifty, also seemed to be trading in a narrow wedge kind of a range of 9400 to 8600. With the recent up move in Nifty, the prices have reached the upper trend line and trying to break. It would be interesting to know where the prices goes in the upcoming week. So the last stock in our watch list is Coal India, which usually trades in a range most of the time. This is supposedly the best stock when it comes to buying near support and selling near resistance. The stock isn't ready for a breakout yet, but it can be a good contender of your watch list. So the list of stocks that we have jotted down are the perfect examples of how does the range bound stock look like. As you have seen, I have used trend lines for the sake of simplicity. You may use other indicators as well for drawing the ranges. It would be interesting to see where does the market take these prices. Only one thing to focus on are the fake breakouts, which you may rule out with the help of volume analysis. Hope you liked the video. Kindly subscribe our channel and connect with us on various platforms. You can also explore our channel and watch our last episode in which we discussed about how does the chart indicate news with a live case study of Cipla. Thank you for watching and keep trading intelligent.